Hey guys, Shane here, Four Guys Talking Cars with yet another update on my 2018 340i BMW M Sport. I just picked it up from the body shop. It's been in there for about 10 days. And I know I didn't show you the quote. I kind of gave you an idea of how much it was going to cost. But I'm going to show you here. And remember, this was just cosmetic work. No panels were replaced, although a wheel was replaced, so that can be pricey right there. But let's get right into it. Let me show you the receipt, and then I'm going to show you the results. I'm pretty happy. Guys, let me tell you, I'm in the wrong business. Because look at that total there. Customer pay, which I like, 0. So it was 100% liability on the other driver, which is nice. So no copay. Total insurance cost $3,123. Parts $825.16. That's the wheel, one wheel. And then you can look and see what they charge for body paint and paint supplies. Pretty significant. All right, guys. So here's my brand new wheel, and bumper looks back to normal. Looks like it was never hit. And then coming across the top, if you remember, the damage was all across here, and then there was a big crease there, and then there's the new wheel. A little bit of paint overspray right here. No big deal, that can just scrub off, but all in all, looks really, really good. I can't even tell that anything was done, so I'm hoping that nothing will flag when I turn it in for the lease, but pretty happy with that. So there you have it. Update on my BMW. I'm happy it's fixed. Driving it home today. Got a couple more months before I turn that in, but man, $3,000 just for a little fender bender. And you wonder why, or you don't wonder why your insurance rates are so high.
It's not a pyramid scheme. It's not even a scheme per se.
But anyways, quick update. Hope all is well. If you haven't already, subscribe. Tons more content coming. Tell us what you want to see. If you have any questions, let us know. Otherwise, take care. Four Guys Talking Cars.